Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw Hulk. Do you know who is Hulk? Hulk is a big green superhero known for his super strength and ability to smash anything in his way. When Hulk gets angry, he becomes even stronger and lift heavy things, jump high and protect people from the danger. But don't worry, Hulk is a good guy. He helps his friend fight bad guys and keeps everyone safe. Kids and toddlers love watching Hulk because he is powerful but also kind, making him one of the coolest superheroes around. Hulk teaches us that it is okay to be strong, but it is also important to be gentle and help others. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.